Hello, good morning, Marjorie. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I am Marjorie Matijo Laga, 28 years old, from Manila, Philippines. I am married and have 2 kids. They are 7 years old and 2 years old. I am college graduate from Bachelor of Agricultural Science. And I have experience as a nanny for 3 years here in the Philippines.
Okay. So you have experience in the Philippines for 3 years as being a housemaid or nanny. May I know what are your duties with your past employers?
To take care the kids, ma'am.
The kids. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the ages of the kids?
They are 5 years old and 2 years old, ma'am.
5 years old and 2 years old. So aside from taking care of the kids, what else are your duties?
I do also household chores, ma'am, like laundry, cleaning, cooking, and ironing, ma'am.
Okay. Ironing. Okay. So in taking care of the kids, especially the toddler, what are the important things that you need to do? What are the important things that you need to do when taking care of the kids? Do you play with them?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you prepare food?
I always prepare their foods, ma'am, and play with them, especially the 2 years old one, ma'am. I always give her milk and give her all needs, ma'am.
Okay. So during free time, what are the activities that you suggest them to do?
We played, ma'am. Sometimes we song,
Okay.
especially the nursery rhymes.
Okay. Okay. So you also mentioned that you can cook. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you love cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if we will given you a recipe, can you follow it well?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay. So next one is we want to know if what do you prefer? If you have share room with the kids or elderly, is that okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
You okay with share room? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. But I prefer kids, ma'am.
Share room with the
Yes.
kids. Okay. So you are okay with sharing room with the kids.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How about if you have a co-helper?
It's okay.
It's okay also. Okay. So, as a first-timer in Hong Kong, can you promise us that you will not borrow money or to your employer or lending company in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong and how many years do you see yourself working in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, because I want to help my family, especially with financial problems, ma'am, and to build a house, ma'am.
Okay, okay, that's good. So, message for your future employer.
To my future employer, I hope that you choose me, and I promise to do my work well and to take care of your kids and love your kids as my own.